In Erickson versus Playgirl, we'll see whether an actor was entitled to damages for loss of publicity after a magazine didn't put him on the cover of one of its issues. Actor John Erickson agreed to allow Playgirl magazine to publish naked photographs of Erickson as the magazine's January 1974 centerfold. Erickson agreed that Playgirl wouldn't pay Erickson because Erickson wanted his photos in Playgirl to boost his acting career. After the magazine was published, Erickson didn't benefit from any immediate career boost. In April of 1974, Playgirl wanted to use Erickson's photographs again in the magazine's annual Best of Playgirl edition. The Best of Playgirl had half of the circulation as Playgirl, and it also didn't run advertising. Erickson agreed to have his photos published in the Best of Playgirl on two conditions. First, Playgirl had to crop Erickson's photographs so that the images were more modest. Second, Erickson's photograph had to occupy 1/4 of the front cover. Playgirl did crop Erickson's photos and include his photos in the magazine. But because of an editorial mix-up, Erickson's picture didn't appear on the cover of Best of Playgirl. Erickson sued Playgirl for damages for the loss of publicity that he would have received had Playgirl put Erickson's photograph on the cover of Best of Playgirl. At trial, Playgirl's witnesses testified that the front cover of a magazine isn't for sale, and that a magazine publisher reserves its exclusive control over the cover. This meant that it wasn't possible to quote a direct price for space on a magazine's front cover. Other witnesses testified that an actor could gain valuable publicity if an actor's picture appeared on the front cover of a national magazine. However, it is difficult to quantify the price of this type of publicity. Witness Richard Cook, the advertising manager for TV Guide, testified that the value of appearing on the cover of a magazine was close to $50,000. Cook based his opinion on the fact that magazines are displayed on newsstands, so even people who may not buy the magazine will still see the cover. The circulation of a magazine also affects the value of being on that magazine's cover. Because Playgirl only agreed to put Erickson on 1/4 of the cover, Cook argued that Erickson's damages should be 1/4 of $50,000. As a result, the trial court awarded Erickson $12,500 in damages for the loss of publicity. Playgirl appealed to the California Court of Appeals.